Hello, today I'm going to show you how to open and close your car hood on an Opel Astra F, Chevrolet Astra, Holden Astra, Opel Optima, or an Opel Kadett in South Africa. Let's open the driver's side door and go to the clutch panel, and on the left side there is a lever. Woo! Pull this lever. Now, let's go to the front side of your Opel Astra Classic 1 or Vauxhall Astra, and here you can see the Opel brand, and a little bit up and left you can see a lever. This lever you have to use while you are moving the car hood upside. Here you can see the mechanism behind this. It's really easy, as you can see. Now we have to support the car hood by using this stick. So unlock the stick and get this into that holding hole. Job's done. Now we can work in under the car hood and make them maintenance, etc. To get this closed again, remove the supporting stick and let the car hood smash approximately 20 centimeters above the brand to the lock. Job's done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.